of your dry ingredients and then you mix all your wet ingredients. You combine them together and make like a dough ball, and then you let it rest. And it'll rise and double in size in 1 to 2 hours. And then you pound it down to degas it a little bit. And then you shape it into baguettes or rolls or a loaf or however you want to shape it. And then you let it rise one more time and then you bake it. That's the general process.
Moist, flavorful, rich, wholesome.